how to disable a two-factor authentication code on your OneXBet account. You guys, to do that, you click on the menu button below. When you click on the menu button below, click on the settings buttons above. After clicking on the settings buttons above, you scroll to security settings. Then you click on two-factor authentication. After doing that, you'll be given a Google Authenticator key. So you input the Google Authenticator key here, and in case you misplace your Google Authenticator key, you go back to your menu. After you go back to your menu, you scroll down and click on customer support. When you click on customer support, you click on chat with operator. So when it's done loading, you click on the inbox and input on how to get my Google Authenticator key, and you'll be given a guideline on how to get a Google Authenticator key. Very easy.